Welcome back, everybody. I know it's been a little while since I made a video, and I'm hoping to get back into the swing of things. The job I was on over the summer just ended, so I should have a little time off. We got a little one, quick one for my neighbor here. His mud flat bracket cracked off, so it's still on there. It must be a good weld on the bottom. So let's dive into it and get it fixed up. I'm gonna take the actual mud flap off, make it a little easier. I gotta cut this one off and do all that, but get a little spray on these. They got the nylon nuts on them, so just get the impact and a wrench, and we should be good to go. But a little lube never hurt no one. All right, got a 1/2-inch socket, 1/2-inch wrench. Let's see how they come off. She doesn't have the juice. All right, time for the big boy. All right, let's see. We got the air gun on. I kind of like these Earthquakes, these new ones from Harbor Freight. They're not bad for little stuff like this. I'm not a mechanic, so I can't justify spending $200 on a air thing. I do have the Milwaukee, big 1/2-inch impact, the big whatever 23 set 27, whatever it is, but sometimes I like to see if this is it's a little more compact, and sometimes, most of the time, it'll get what I need done. So we are in backwards mode. And just as I expected, we snapped the head of the bolt. Again, last video, I know it's been a little while, but I'm working with Rod Shield welding lenses. Got it in my hood here. There they are. Remember, I'll put it up on the screen, rodshield.com. If you guys want a solid welding lens for relatively inexpensive, use my promo code mcfweld, all caps, no spaces. Save yourself 5%. But again, I just want to give a shout out to them. They sent me a lens. I got a promo code, so if you guys want a top-notch lens, shoot over there, grab yourself a couple. He's running good deals. And don't forget to use the promo code. Let's rock right into this. All right, I never really think to use this little Milwaukee hacksaw that I have. I don't have a Sawzall. It's probably something I should invest in, but I don't really want to be throwing sparks around here with fuel tank and everything right now. I'll get a welding blanket, stuff it in there when I weld it up. But let's see how this thing works. Whew. That was decently welded on there. And as I feared, this is rotting through. It's kind of, you can't see it in the camera, but there's a hole there. There's rust behind that, so I'll try to clean that up with the grinder and see what we got. Got the fire blanket on. Do not do this at home. This is just a informational video. But yeah, let's I gotta take the grinder and I'm gonna grind away that stuff and see what it's like. All right, so what I want to do is, this is pretty rotten right behind there, but around here, around the perimeter is pretty solid still. So I'm going to cut a little plate, maybe 1/4 inch material, whatever I have laying around, 3x3, weld it on here, and then I'll weld the angle iron to that, because this is holy, it's got rust behind it, but that'll hold it from, you know, breaking off again. So kind of looks like a smiley face. Let me see what I got in the scrap pile, and we'll put that on. I found a perfectly sized scrap piece in the bin. Just tacked it on with a little 6-10, and let's weld it up, and then we'll start working on the bracket. So I've been wanting to ask a couple videos ago, curious what kind of welding caps you guys run, and also what kind of boots you wear. Don't know why I'm curious, I just always like to see what other people use, but yeah, definitely curious about the welding hats. Let me know in the comments what you guys use. I use Doogie's welding hats. I think I started using them the last 2 batches I got, and I like them. They're inexpensive. Well, I shouldn't say they're inexpensive, they're a little expensive, but they've lasted me close to 2 years. You know, I wear them every day at work underneath a hard hat, or if I am welding. But other than that, I've been running Ariat boots. I just tried a pair of Thorogoods, like the whole made in the USA kind of deal. So I've had Thorogoods in the past, and I tried their slip-on ones, but I've been running Ariats for a little while, and I like them a lot. But I'm liking the new ones too, and the Doogie's ones are also made in America. So let me know what you guys think. I got this thing tacked on, so let's get it welded out, and this job should be complete. They don't teach you this in school. Little rod bending action. Sometimes you got to do what you got to do in the field. And for people that tell me I need knee pads, I did have a kneeler. And thank you, it does save your knees. Couple of these in. He's gonna have to get some new hardware. Let this will get it live for a little bit. We're going to use the small gun on these so we don't break them. Not gonna go crazy. I just gotta find the last one for that. Alright, I had an extra one, the one that broke, but there she is, all on. Got it painted. Looking good. Yeah, not too bad. This truck has seen better days. That's alright, still works. But yeah, that's it. This one's over. This is probably gonna be my next project, so if you guys are into rust repair, wait till that one comes up. But that's it on this one, guys. We are done. Anyone curious, or I'm curious if anyone else uses this style stinger, whole twist stinger. That's what I like to run. Keeps it locked in a little better for all applications. 332, 7018, 1/8 inch 6010, all that good stuff. I use 332, 7018, and I use the old Everlast on the stick feature. Yeah, I know I've been a little absent the last 2 or 3 months. Like I said, I was on that overtime job, and I've been working crazy hours, and that job's finally over, so now I got a couple weeks off until hopefully the next job. But yeah, stay tuned for the next set of videos. I'm hoping to start a series on building out my Dodge, getting it back to where it was with a welder on it, bottles, toolbox. I am planning on building an engine drive air compressor. I have some tanks, and that'll be another video. Kind of got some pieces already sourced out, and I've been working on this welder over here. I'm not going to show you because I'm going to show you when it's done, but I'll just give you a little preview of the color. Got that powder coated. I like the fact of being mobile. I liked when I did mobile, and I want to get back to it, and I think it'll be good content. You guys seem to like the mobile stuff, but that's going to be a good series. It's going to be probably a multi-part series, part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, however many parts it is till it's done. I'm going to try to hit that heavy when I'm laid off right now until I get on my next job. So thanks, guys. I appreciate it. Quick little one today for the neighbor. Like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think, and we'll catch you guys on the next video.